everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 106, expression and equation word problems. So what just is the difference between an expression and an equation? Well, an expression are numbers, variables, and operators grouped together to show the value of something. So for example, we have 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 4 all minus 3. An equation, on the other hand, are 2 expressions that are equal to each other and therefore have an equal sign in between them. This is a statement of truth. Does this side equal this side? It's a statement of truth. So key vocabulary to keep a lookout for during word problems are addition words. So when you see the word more than or increased by, the sum of, the total of, plus, or additional. Those are all addition words. It means you are adding the 2 terms together. Subtraction terms, decreased by, less than, the difference of, or fewer than. Multiplication terms, times, the product of, doubled, which means times 2, twice means times 2, tripled times 3. You can also throw in quadrupled, which is times 4. And then we have division terms, divided by, quotient of. Some additional vocabulary words, parentheses. How do you know when you're supposed to use a parentheses? You'll see the quantity of. If you have heard me in my other videos, when I am walking you through a problem, I'll say if the problem is 2 with parentheses x plus 4, I would say 2 times the quantity of x plus 4. That means I've opened my parenthesis or my grouping symbol and put x plus 4 and then close my grouping symbol. The reason we need the parentheses is because to force an operation to occur first if the order of operations is not followed. So if we want something done first, we put it in parentheses. Then, because in the order of operations, it's grouping symbols, then exponents. So another term is equals, is just the equal sign, or the other word is equal to or is. So if we're looking for keywords that mean equals, where we have to put our equal sign, we could say is. So 2 times the quantity of x plus 4 is 12. That's is that equal sign or the word equal to. Now, exponents, words that mean exponents is times itself or the squared, cubed, to the 4th power, to the 5th power, etc. So squared or to the 2nd power, cubed to the 3rd power, those are the words that we would see and we would use an exponent with. So it's your turn to practice. I want you to take these examples and take the expressions and turn them into numbered statements. So our first example is 3 times the sum of a number and 4, number x and 4. So I'm going to write 3 and then times the sum of a number x and 4. So the way this is reading is that we are going to put a parentheses because we want to add x plus 4 first. And then we're multiplying the whole thing by 3 on the outside. On this question, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. On this question, 2 less than 8. 2 less than 8 is 8 minus 2, because 2 less than 8. Now the quotient, the quotient of triple a number y plus 1 and 5. Okay, this one's a little tricky. So the quotient, which means we're going to have a division sign, of triple a number y, so 3y plus 1, triple a number y plus 1, and 5. So that and part is what goes on the bottom, and 5. The quotient of this whole triple a number y plus 1 and 5. This is the product of 7 and the quantity 20 minus a number z is 14. So we first have the product of 7 and the quantity, which means we're going to open a parenthesis, 20 minus a number z is our equal statement, 14. So I'm going to write that a little bit better. 7 times the quantity of 20 minus z equals 14. And our last one, 20 less than a number y is 40. So 20 less than a number y. So we're going to have y, 20 less than a number y. So y minus 20 is our equal sign, 40.